This is Floral Dreams Handcrafted. We are now going to make a starch paste that can be used for flowers. It has no sugar. 30 grams of water or 30 ml of water. I need to soak in 5 grams of non-flavoured gelatin. This is regular gelatin used for desserts. This will be left to bloom for a good 10 minutes. In the meantime, I will mix in my other liquid ingredients. Two teaspoons of food grade glycerin, two teaspoons of vinegar, this is regular synthetic vinegar, liquid glucose, one teaspoon of liquid glucose syrup. Sodium benzoate is a preservative. It is an optional item. I prefer to add it because I live in a very humid place. Half teaspoon sodium benzoate. We need to mix this together. The glucose will melt once we heat up the liquid. The gelatin is almost bloomed. It has soaked in most of the water. This can be poured into the other ingredients.